JP Morgan buys the crypto Decentraland and enters the Metaverse. Now, on my YouTube channel, I told you about Decentraland when I was buying it when it was 10 cents. It shot up to about almost $6, and now it has corrected or crashed to $3 and some change. However, what's crazy is the JP Morgan CEO going on TV and bad mouthing Bitcoin, telling that he's going to fire people. Okay. Then we got news that his family was buying Bitcoin. Then we got news that JP Morgan was creating his own coin. Okay. Then we got news that his side businesses are getting into the blockchain. Then we got news that um, JP Morgan is giving Bitcoin predictions to his elite rich clients. Then we got news that JP Morgan is getting into the metaverse through Decentraland. So does that mean that JP Morgan likes Bitcoin now? I'm not sure. I'm going to let you decide that. But what I can tell you is that I never like stinky bankers. And if they tell me to go left, I'm going right. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy, don't take no for an answer. Peace.